Story behind this motherboard: Asus Z170A. I brought it with HGB DDR4 Kingston stick in 2016 for €70. And yes, it was with several bent CPU pins. I thought, okay, I will try to fix this. I don't have any videos about that, just several photos. After fixing that bent pin, I tested with i7-6700K Intel processor and one 4GB stick of memory. Because it was only one memory stick, I putted it in closed socket to processor. Trying to boot and there is no post. Different socket. Still no post. After that I putted it to the last number 4 memory socket. Nice, it posted and booted to OS. I found that only 2 sockets working of memory is working. Better than nothing. After some time of playing with Plex server on Synology DS216J, and on virtual machines, I decided to install Plex server on this Asus Z170A motherboard with Intel G3930 CPU and 4GB DDR4 memory and, yes, Windows Server instead of Ubuntu. I choose Windows because I wanted to manage this little home server with graphical interface instead of console, command lines and so on. And it worked well. And I thought, why not to try Hyper-V on this little server? I could move to this little server my next cloud virtual machine and my web development virtual machine server. But before I need more memory for virtualization, I brought 8GB of RAM 2 stick by 4. So, I added 4GB of RAM, in total 8. I booted to virtual machines. It's very obviously that for Plex server, Nextcloud, and web hosting 8GB of RAM is not enough. Then I checked with Windows Admin Center ISO. Nextcloud demand for memory was 2.3GB, but it was only 1.3 assigned. Web hosting demand was 3.3GB of memory, but it was only 2.3 assigned. And again, I thought I must look one more time to CPU socket, maybe missed something last time. I was a bit surprised that I really missed one more bended pin on this motherboard. Oh my gosh, it is so tiny. I need tools. First, I got needle. Second, I got my phone as light source. Third, one more phone as magnifying glass, I should say 2 phones. Samsung Galaxy S7. And Plakaphone F1. I really love this macro camera and Xiaomi phone. It helped a lot in this process. I saw that the gap between nearest pin is too big, that's why I am trying to push a little to the left side. It was not so easy. I did not want to risk damaging more than it was. After all that, I'm very glad to say that I succeed. After pushing that little pin to my left, all 4 memory slots is finally working, and I can put more memory to my little server. If you want to win €10, all you have to do just press that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.